What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and reset pay runs on Xero. So first, you may want to head over to Xero.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, we're just going to head over to payroll, then click on pay employees, and this will take us to the pay run page. So here we can see our pay run history. Now select the specific parent that you wish to edit. So say for example, we're going to click on this specific parent. And for you to be able to edit this parent, click on parent options, then click on revert to draft. Just confirm by reverting the parent. This will take the parent back into its editing form or draft mode where you can change details about the parent, settings, and to reset the parent now that it is drafted back to its draft mode or editing mode. You can now reset the parent just by clicking on Reset Parent. Just confirm reset by clicking on Yes. Once you've edited everything on this parent, you can always just repost this parent whenever you want to. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!